Our lesson for today is about multiplication of fractions. Actually, hindi naman mahirap ang lesson na to. Mas madali ito compared to addition and subtraction.
Wow.
Sa multiplication of fractions, hindi na natin kailangan gumamit ng cross multiplication, LCD, Technique 1, and Technique 2. Ang kailangan lang natin, multiply, reduce to lowest term, saka conversion siguro ng improper fraction to mixed number kapag kailangan.
Are you kidding?
But first, why do we need to multiply fractions? Ganito yon. Suppose you have a 1/4 piece of pizza. Tapos lumapit sa'yo yung dalawang kapatid mo asking for a share. So hinati nyo sa tatlo yung pizza mo and you got 1/3 of the original. Bale, 1/3 yon ng 1/4 na pizza. So what do you call that portion? 1/3 of 1/4? The answer is 1/12. Bakit? Kasi 1/3 times 1/4 equals 1/12. Paano nangyari yon? Let's look at the rules. To multiply fractions, we simply multiply the numerators and the result is the numerator of the product. Then we multiply the denominators and the result is the denominator of the product. If the product is not in its lowest term, we will reduce it to its lowest term. So, in our pizza example, we have 1/3 times 1/4. We multiply the numerators. 1 times 1 equals 1. This is the numerator of our product. We multiply the denominators. 3 times 4 equals 12. This is the denominator of our product. So we have 1/12. Lowest term na ito kasi wala namang pwedeng i-divide sa 1. And this is our final answer. Madali lang, di ba? Let's see another example. Say we have 4 slices of pizza, which is 1/8 of the pizza per slice. How much pizza do we have? So sa example na to, instead of getting a portion or piraso ng 1/8, meron kang 4 of the 1/8. To solve this, we will multiply 4, which is whole number, times 1/8. According to rules, whole numbers are multiplied only to the numerators, not to the denominators. Sa numerator lang daw pwedeng i-multiply ang mga whole numbers. May rule din na nagsasabi na pwede nating lagyan ng denominator na 1 yung mga whole numbers para magamit natin silang fraction. 1 lagi para sa kahit anong whole number. So, in 4 times 1/8, we will do 4 times 1 equals 4 and just get 8 as the denominator. So, we have 4/8. Now, kagaya ng addition at subtraction, we have to reduce our final answer to its lowest term. Anong pwedeng ipang-divide sa 4 at sa 8? 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. And so we have 1/2. Another example. This time, huwag na tayong gumamit ng pizza. Numbers na lang. Say we have 7 times 3/4. Anong sabi sa rules? Whole numbers are multiplied only to numerators. So, 7 times 3 equals 21. Tapos, kukopyahin na lang natin yung 4. And we have 21/4. 21/4 is an improper fraction. We will change it to mixed number. We will divide. 21 divided by 4 equals 5, remainder 1. So, our mixed number is 5 and 1/4. Madali lang, di ba? Pero may idadali pa yan. What if we have 8/11 times 7/24? Medyo malalaking numbers yan. Kapag nag-multiply tayo, that's 8 times 7 equals 56. 11 times 24 equals 264. And we have 56/264. Ang laki, di ba? Pwede natin siyang i-reduce to lowest term pero medyo mahirap na to. So how do we simplify this? We simplify this using a technique called cancellation. Cancellation is dividing any of the numerators and any of the denominators by the same number. Parang reducing to lowest term lang. Pero hindi kailangang from one fraction sila. Pwedeng numerator ng first fraction tapos denominator ng second fraction. or vice versa. Gagawin natin ito bago pa mag-multiply.
Whoa.
So, for example nga, we have 8 over 11 times 7 over 24. Magka-cancel tayo bago pa tayo mag-multiply. 8 and 24 can be divided by 8, and so we do it like this. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. Tapos, ika-cancel natin yung 8 saka yung 24. So, anong natira sa atin? We have 1 over 11 times 7 over 3. O, diba mas madali nang mag-multiply? 1 times 7 equals 7. 11 times 3 equals 33. O, diba ang ganda na sagot?
In my head, I saw that differently.
Another example. Say we have 7 over 10 times 15 over 22. 15 and 10 can be divided by 5. So, 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. We cancel 15 and 10. And we have 7 over 2 times 3 over 22. Mas madali na itong i-multiply. 7 times 3 equals 21. 2 times 22 equals 44. And so we have 21 over 44. Lowest term na to kasi wala nang pwedeng ipang-divide sa 21 saka 44.
So I'll just do it again.
Take note. Kapag wala na tayong may cancel before we multiply, after multiplication, siguradong lowest term na yung sagot natin. O, di ba maganda yon?
I don't think so.
Let's have another example. Say we have 9 over 16 times 20 over 27. 9 and 27 are divisible by 9. So 9 divided by 9 equals 1. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. And we have 1 over 16 times 20 over 3. 16 and 20 are divisible by 4. So 16 divided by 4 equals 4. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. And so we have 1 over 4 times 5 over 3. Then we multiply. 1 times 5 equals 5. 4 times 3 equals 12. And so we have 5 over 12. Lowest term na yan kasi naubos na yung divisible na number sa cancellation natin.
Whoa.
Another example. Sometimes some math teachers will give you something like this. 15 over 20 times 10 over 30.
I think not!
Kung mapapansin nyo, these fractions are not in lowest terms. So para mas mapadali tayo, i-lowest term muna natin sila bago tayo mag-try ng cancellation. 15 and 20 are divisible by 5. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So we have 3 fourths. 10 and 30 are divisible by 10. 10 divided by 10 equals 1. 30 divided by 10 equals 3. And so we have 1/3. Now we have 3 fourths times 1/3. May pwede pa ba tayong i-cancel? Meron pa. 3 and 3. Parehong divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Pareho sila. So we have 1 over 4 times 1 over 1. Ayan, super dali na yan. 1 times 1 equals 1. 4 times 1 equals 4. And we have 1/4. Do you understand? It's time to try some exercises. Multiply the following. Do cancellation as necessary. Alam niyo na to, di ba? Are you ready? Begin. Are you finished? Let's check your answers. Number 1. 5 over 9 times 4 over 15. 5 and 15 are divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So we have 1 over 9 times 4 over 3. We multiply. 1 times 4 equals 4. 9 times 3 equals 27. And so we have 4 over 27. Number 2. 7 over 15 times 10 over 21. 7 and 21 are divisible by 7. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. 15 and 10 are divisible by 5. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So we have 1/3 times 2/3. We multiply. 1 times 2 equals 2. 3 times 3 equals 9. And we have 2 over 9. Number 3. 12 over 21 times 14 over 15. 12 and 15 are divisible by 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 21 and 14 are divisible by 7. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. 14 divided by 7 equals 2. So we have 4 over 3 times 2 over 5. We multiply. 4 times 2 equals 8. 3 times 5 equals 15. And so we have 8 over 15. Number 4. 16 over 25 times 15 over 18. 15 over 18 is not in its lowest term. 15 and 18 can be divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So we have 16 over 25 times 5 over 6. 16 and 6 are divisible by 2. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 25 and 5 are divisible by 5. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. So we have 8 over 5 times 1 over 3. We multiply. 8 times 1 equals 8. 5 times 3 equals 15. And so we have 8 over 15. Did you get everything correct? I hope so. Now we're going to talk about multiplication of mixed numbers. The rule says that we must convert mixed numbers to improper fractions before we can multiply. After multiplication, we convert the answer back to mixed number.
Hard work.
Let's see some examples. Say we have 1 and 1/3 times 3 and 1/3. We convert 1 and 1/3 and 3 and 1/3 to improper fractions. Do you remember? Like this. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So we have 4 over 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. So we have 10 over 3. Now we have 4 over 3 times 10 over 3. Nothing to cancel. We will multiply. 4 times 10 equals 40. 3 times 3 equals 9. And we have 40 over 9. This is an improper fraction, so we convert to mixed number. 40 divided by 9 equals 4, remainder 4. So our final answer is 4 and 4 over 9.
So I'll just do it again.
Another example. Say we have 1 and 1/2 times 2 and 1/3. We convert 1 and 1/2 and 2 and 1/3 to improper fractions. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So we have 3 over 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So we have 7 over 3. So now we have 3 over 2 times 7 over 3. We can do cancellation. 3 and 3 are divisible by 3. So 3 divided by 3 equals 1 on both cases. So we have 1 over 2 times 7 over 1. We multiply. 1 times 7 equals 7. 2 times 1 equals 2. And so we have 7 over 2. This is an improper fraction, so we convert to mixed number. We divide. 7 divided by 2 equals 3, remainder 1. So our final answer is 3 and 1/2.
In my head, I saw that differently.
Another example. Say we have 1 and 3/4 times 1/2. A mixed number and a fraction. We convert 1 and 3/4 to improper fraction. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So we have 7 over 4. We will now multiply 7 over 4 times 1/2. Walang cancellation. 7 times 1 equals 7. 4 times 2 equals 8. So our final answer is 7 over 8. Isa pang example. Say we have 2 and 1/2 times 4. A mixed number and a whole number. We convert 2 and 1/2 to improper fraction. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So we have 5 over 2 times 4. We can cancel. 2 and 4 are divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Now we have 5 over 1 times 2. We multiply. 5 times 2 equals 10. We will copy 1. So we have 10 over 1, which is equal to 10. Now you try it. Multiply the following. Follow the rules. If your final answer is an improper fraction, convert it to mixed number. Reduce the lowest term if necessary. Are you ready? Begin. Are you finished?
No!
Let's check your answers. 2 and 1/2 times 1 and 3/4. We convert to improper fractions. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So we have 5 over 2. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So we have 7 over 4. We multiply 5 over 2 times 7 over 4. Walang cancellation. 5 times 7 equals 35. 2 times 4 equals 8. And so we have 35 over 8. This is an improper fraction, so we convert to mixed number. 35 divided by 8 equals 4 remainder 3. So our final answer is 4 and 3/8. Number 2. 5 and 1/4 times 2 over 7. We convert 5 and 1/4 to improper fraction. 4 times 5 equals 20. 20 plus 1 equals 21. We have 21 over 4. 21 over 4 times 2 over 7. We do cancellation. 21 and 7 are divisible by 7. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. So we have 3 over 4 times 2 over 1. Meron pa. 4 and 2 are divisible by 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. And so we have 3 over 2 times 1 over 1. We multiply. 3 times 1 equals 3. 2 times 1 equals 2. And so we have 3 over 2. This is an improper fraction, so we convert to mixed number. 3 divided by 2 equals 1 remainder 1. So our final answer is 1 and 1/2. Number 3. 1 and 2/3 times 5. We convert 1 and 2/3 to improper fraction. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So we have 5 over 3. 5 over 3 times 5. Walang cancellation. We multiply. 5 times 5 equals 25. We copy 3. And so we have 25 over 3. This is an improper fraction, so we convert to mixed number. 25 divided by 3 equals 8, remainder 1. So our final answer is 8 and 1/3. Number 4. 2 and 1/3 times 2 and 1/4. We convert to improper fractions. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So we have 7 over 3. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. So we have 9 over 4. We multiply 7 over 3 times 9 over 4. Pwedeng mag-cancel. 3 and 9 is divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So we have 7 over 1 times 3 over 4. We multiply. 7 times 3 equals 21. 1 times 4 equals 4. And so we have 21 over 4. This is an improper fraction, so we convert. 21 divided by 4 equals 5, remainder 1. And our final answer is 5 and 1/4. I hope you got everything correct. Like I said, mas madali ang multiplication of fractions compared to addition and subtraction. Now, we're going to talk about solving word problems involving multiplication of fractions. Babalik tayo dun sa pizza. Suppose you have a 1/4 piece of pizza. Then you have to divide it into 3. And you got 1/3 of that piece. What portion of the pizza did you get?
Sorry.
Let's do the steps. What is given? 1/4 piece of pizza, 1/3 of that piece. What is being asked? What portion of the pizza did you get? What procedure? The problem says that you only got 1/3 of that piece, and that's 1/3 of that 1/4 piece of pizza. So the keyword is off, and in mathematics, off means multiply. So 1/3 of 1/4 means 1/3 times 1/4. Solve. So we have 1/3 times 1/4. 1 times 1 equals 1. 3 times 4 equals 12. And so we have 1/12.
So I'll just do it again.
Another example. A slice of the pizza that I brought is 1/8 of the pizza. I ate 4 slices. How much pizza did I eat? Let's do the steps. What is given? 1/8 of the pizza per slice. 4 slices eaten. What is being asked? How much pizza did I eat? What procedure? 1 slice is 1/8. I ate 4 slices. This is obviously multiplication. Let's solve. 4 times 1/8. 4 times 1 equals 4. We copy 8. And we have 4/8. This is not in its lowest term. 4 and 8 are divisible by 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. And so we have 1/2. Another example. 1 jar contains 2.5 liters of water. If we have 5 jars with the same amount of water, how much water do we have? Let's do the steps. What is given? 2.5 liters of water in a jar. 5 jars. What is being asked? How much water do we have? What procedure? Obviously, multiplication. Let's solve. 2.5 times 5. 2.5 is a mixed number, so we convert it first to improper fraction. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So we have 5/2. We multiply 5/2 times 5. Walang cancellation, so we proceed. 5 times 5 equals 25. We copy 2. And so we have 25/2. This is an improper fraction, so we convert. 25 divided by 2 equals 12 remainder 1. And our final answer is 12 and 1/2.
Whoa.
Now you try it. I will give you 4 word problems, one by one. Solve each problem carefully. You can use cancellation if possible. Final answers must be in lowest terms. Pwede nyo i-pause yung video para mas mahaba yung time nyo mag-solve. Play nyo na lang ulit para makita nyo yung correct answers. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Here are the problems. Number 1. A man has 4 bottles of Coke. Each bottle contains 1.5 liters. How much Coke does the man have? Okay, go. Are you finished? Let's check your answers. What is given? 4 bottles of Coke. Each contains 1.5 liters. What is being asked? How much Coke does the man have? What operation? Obviously, multiplication. Let's solve. 4 times 1 and 1/2. We convert 1 and 1/2 to improper fraction. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So we have 3/2. So, 4 times 3/2. Pwedeng mag-cancel. 4 and 2 are divisible by 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So we have 2 times 3/1. We multiply. 2 times 3 equals 6. We copy 1. And we have 6/1. This is equals to 6. So the man has 6 liters of Coke. Number 2. Mrs. La Rosa has a piece of meat that weighs 3/5 of a kilo. She cooked 1/3 of that meat for dinner. How many kilos of meat did she cook? Okay, go. Are you finished? Let's check your answers. What is given? 3/5 of a kilo of meat. 1/3 cook. What is being asked? How many kilo did she cook? What operation? Obviously, multiplication. Let's solve. 3/5 times 1/3. 3 and 3 are divisible by 3. So 3 divided by 3 equals 1. on both of them. So we have 1 over 5 times 1 over 1. We multiply. 1 times 1 equals 1. 5 times 1 equals 5. And our answer is 1/5. Mrs. La Rosa cooked 1/5 kilo of meat. Number 3. On the plate are 5 slices of a wedding cake. Each slice is 1 over 20 of the whole cake. How much cake is on the plate? Okay, go. Are you finished? Let's check your answer. What is given? 5 slices of cake. Each slice is 1 over 20. What is being asked? How much cake is on the plate? What operation? Obviously, multiplication. Let's solve. 5 times 1 over 20. 5 and 20 are divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So we have 1 times 1 over 4. We multiply. 1 times 1 equals 1. We copy 4. And our answer is 1 over 4, or 1/4. 1/4 of the cake is on the plate. Number 4. It takes 1/4 of an hour for Mr. Lim to finish his exercise. 2/5 of that time is spent for marching in place. What portion of the hour does Mr. Lim spend for marching in place? Okay, go. Are you finished? Let's check your answers. What is given? 1/4 hour for exercise, 2/5 of that for marching. What is being asked? What portion of the hour is for marching? What operation? Obviously, multiplication. Let's solve. 1/4 times 2/5. 4 and 2 are divisible by 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So we have 1/2 times 1/5. We multiply. 1 times 1 equals 1. 2 times 5 equals 10. And our answer is 1 over 10. Mr. Lim spends 1 over 10 or 1/10 of an hour for marching in place. Did you get everything correct? I hope so. Siguro naman mas nadalian kayo dito sa multiplication of fractions kaysa sa addition and subtraction. Anyway, here are the things to remember before we end our lesson. The rules of multiplication: numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Converting mixed number to improper fraction. Cancellation. Reducing fraction to lowest terms. I hope you understand our lesson today. If not, pwede nyo namang i-replay yung video hanggang magets nyo.
In my head, I saw that differently.
I also left the notes of this video on your Google Classroom. You can check that out.
You can understand?
Kung may questions pa kayo, just ask your teacher na lang on your discussion.
You and me.
As for now, gawin nyo muna yung modules nyo. So, see you on the next video. Bye-bye!